Hi, everybody. It's not clear to me if I'm live or if you can hear me, and if so, where. But I'm here. Liza Donnelly, cartoonist and writer for the New Yorker and lots of other places. And I thought I would go live and draw for you today, just a little bit. The other day, I did a post on Substack, and if you don't follow me on Substack, please join me. It's free. And I do a lot of writing about politics and cartoons and live drawing like this, and I have guests sometimes. Anyway, I did a post the other day about creativity because I wanted to talk about that a little bit and how cartoonists are a strange breed. We're not a breed. Creativity is for us is not clear cut, and maybe it isn't for anybody who's creative or who practices an art form. But it's a matter of a lot of trial and error, and it's not. Cartoons are not always about a joke. You've heard me just say that before, and I'm just going to draw for you while I talk. It's stream of consciousness sometimes. Like right now, we're supposed to have heavy thunder showers in the city, and so far they haven't materialized. But it makes me think of umbrellas. I love drawing umbrellas. So cartoonists are often just we do doodle, we think, we let's see, to line this up here. We observe people. We listen to everybody. We eavesdrop. We pay attention to what's going on in the world. Some more than others. Some of us are more politically inclined. Others are just want to give you their view of the world, which is a wonderful way to share humor. You know, it's like sharing your attitude towards something, sharing what you find funny. And in order to be a cartoonist, you kind of have to. Just wear boots. Kind of have to play in your brain and on the paper. So what could I be doing here? So I thought about rain. The woman is in the rain. Let's give her a dog. While I'm drawing the dog, I'm thinking, should he have an umbrella or she have an umbrella? It's going to be a little hard to make the umbrella now, so I'm gonna not do that. But I'm going to give this dog boots because why not? I'm the kind of cartoonist that loves to use cultural references in my cartoons and political references. But I don't always. I'm going to keep this short today. It's supposed to be a color. So I can't tell, this woman's expression is unclear to me. So I might go back in and give her some expression. So one of the reasons why I wanted to talk about creativity is that I'm really fascinated with how cartoonist brains work, and because I'm trying to figure it myself out in part. But I just produced and directed a documentary about cartoonists and how they think, and we sit across from each other. I selected 5 cartoonists to sit across from, and we talked and drew together. And it was fascinating and really fun, and we laughed a lot, and I learned a lot. And I'm so proud of this movie. I hope you get to see it. It's a documentary. It's going to come out this fall, and I'll keep you posted on it. It's called Women Laughing. And it's based in part on my book, Very Funny Ladies, which is a history of the women cartoonists of the New Yorker, which came out in 2022. But it's got some history in it, but it's also about modern women and a diverse group of women and how we think and how our stories and our humor need to be shared, and we need to hear from more women, as always. So anyway, that's all I have for you today. I was going to put some gray wash on this, but it's way too wet for me to do that. But I just wanted to try out this new system, and I wanted to draw for you and distract you from the news a little bit. So anyway, thanks for being here. I hope to see you next time I go live, probably next week. Thanks, guys. Take care, and thanks for being here.